Another Google software rollout. Stadia is apparently getting direct to YouTube live streaming. Direct to YouTube live streaming. So a really streamlined integration that will let you actually, just for the time being, the stream directly to YouTube button is only on the web browser version of Stadia. It's not on Android yet. However, it will likely roll out to those other services soon. It's a very early right now. However, this sort of limits or lowers the threshold to entry for a person wanting to stream a game because it's a one-click scenario. Instead of setting up some dedicated streaming software or capture devices for their console or something like this. Instead, you just go straight to the web, load up your Stadia. Create a couple of selections for a title and a privacy option for the audience. There's a couple of other options as well for what you want to do with audio. You can select YouTube and game chat. Game audio, voice, and anyone in the game voice chat will come through on the stream. YouTube only will be the game audio and your audio. Party chat only or no one at all. And you can see some of the functionality of the app here listed on the site. You can see how it will all appear. It looks very similar to like a YouTube uploader or YouTube gaming. There's also stream enhancements for crowd choice. And it's obviously going to at some point become very robust. And it remains to be seen how the adoption of Stadia in general as a game service. But this is one of those areas where this might just be more convenient than loading up a game for streaming on some other platform and dealing with external hardware. Just the convenience factor alone could bring people to the service of doing it all in one place. The gaming, the streaming, and so forth. Of course, performance I have questions about.
Yeah. When does it come out?
It's coming out December the 8th for all users. So some people are seeing it now. That's right now.
I think this might be interesting for now because of Cyberpunk, the launch of Cyberpunk in December 10th.
So you'll be streaming the game on Stadia then?
It might be, yeah.
Will
I
you
will
do?
be.
Will you do?
I'll try.
Will you do?